According to the ministry, the majority of the remaining applicants who have not received their grants were rejected on the basis of names not matching those in the records of the Ministry of Home Affairs and those appearing on the taxpayers' register. A day before the due date of the reapplication, members of the public gathered at the ministry's head office with queries on the failure of their applications.
Since we are rejected, for some of us people are unemployed. We have been unemployed now for a long period, which is 4 to 5 years. Now this rejecting is the system. We didn't come to cancel our income tax, or is it that the system is still being processed for us to get the money or not? So that is my question. Are we still going to get the money that us that are rejected?
Do my business now. My business was damaged by these coronavirus issues, and now I'm just unemployed. And I'm not a taxpayer, and I haven't received any message. The only message that I received is that just wait, you have already applied. But until when now? Personally, I applied on the first Sunday when they issued the application of this grant. Still now, even the people that have applied after me, they have received a grant, but what I'm receiving in my phone is just that you have already applied. That's what I'm wondering, until when are we going to wait for this? And actually, as comparing to the previous days, they were paying out. We saw a long queues at the banks, but currently now, it's just quiet. Maybe we are just hearing one person by one that are getting paid per day.
Response they are telling me is my ID or my name is wrong. I don't know. But on the other instance is for all these weeks, we are just waiting for them and they are telling us to wait. Today we are here again. So I don't know what these guys are actually planning to do about this. There's nothing which they are doing. It's just waiting until we come here, find us here at the office today. So my question is, what is the minister doing with this? They are just showcasing their lives there at COVID-19 offices, showing themselves they are Minister of Finance and what, but they are doing zero to our lives. I'm coming all the way from informal settlement Achterland to here in town just to get 750. Is it right like that? Why is the minister there?
The ministry spokesperson has called on applicants whose applications were rejected on the basis of tax to remain patient as the ministry is busy with a data reconciliation process to verify the list of applicants. Once finalized, applicants will be informed of the status of their applications.
Problems comes when people lose their jobs or are no longer receiving taxable salaries. They just move on and they do not come to the receiver of revenue to indicate that they are no longer receiving a taxable salary. So, and in that process, their tax number remains as active taxpayers. So we are now trying to run the data with comparing with the Social Security Commission to determine whether these people are still employed or not. The process, of course, has its legal processes that has to be followed, but what we are saying is that applicants should give us time. We are working around the clock to finalize this matter, and hopefully early next week we will be able to inform them on the status of the application.
Dudu adds that although a lengthy process, verification will ensure that there are no fraudulent applications, as the ministry has received complaints from members of the public of their IDs being used without their consent. The verification process has been extended to the 15th of May 2020.